What's up, YouTube? Mr. Sherman here. I'm gonna do a review on the Stihl ms251 18-inch bar chainsaw. You guys wanted to see how this works out, see how well it is. Just wanted to review. And Cody's Lawn and Tree said if it's a good saw, he'll buy one. And this is to convince you, buddy. I say get one. It's a really nice saw. It's lightweight. Has an 18-inch bar on it. Chain's tight as hell. Is that too tight? I think that's too tight. I sharpened it yesterday because I was going to go cut wood, but that didn't work out so well. The saw is equipped with, like I say, 18-inch bar. It has a 46cc motor. 46 cc's right there. Has vibration springs right there. Right there. And right here. So it's springy. You have your high, low adjustment screws right there. Idle. Of course your master lock down is on. You pull the throttle, push down, that's full choke. And when it pops, you pull it, and then you start it up, and then you pull the throttle, and it jumps up, and it's off. Has flip cap gas can and oil bar, and oil reservoir, which I like, which is easy. So, it's a big gas tank. Goes from there to there all the way down. Barn channel is a little harder to get. I spilled barn channel off at one time. What you always want to do is that you want to fill your gas up to right about there, and then you fill your barn channel up all as close as you can to the top. Not like too close, just to the ring. I've had this thing for about 3 weeks now, or 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks, and I've already ran 14 tanks of gas through it, and I'm about to fill it up again next time I use it. Has one bolt, one nut, and then you loosen that, and you tighten your chain going that way. Bar, every time I take the cover off, which is not often, when I clean it out sometimes, when I do noodling, when you cut the grain, it gets clogged, so I take it off, and I flip the bar to even it out. Where the wear and tear evens out. Bar's already scratched up and crap. It has spikes in the front of it, and they are sharp. Like, careful not to cut yourself when you're sharpening the chain with a file. Cut my hand the other time. Exhaust is kind of weird, but it has these to take it off the cover, and the screw. It's like a circular air filter. There's not much else to say about this saw. So overall, it's a really good saw. I've cut a bunch of trees and logs with it already. Chain brake works nice. I'll give you a full start of it. And set you down right here. I'm in shorts, I know. So it's everything. Hasn't started in 2 days. Starts up 1 to 2 pulls every time, so it's a great saw. I say if you want one, buy one. Don't get the 251 or don't get the ms250 because it costs a little more, but this one is more fuel efficient and lighter. So, and it comes with this, of course, and then the screwdriver. And I use a 5/32 file to follow it, but I'm gonna get something that's meant for that. So thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, peace.